Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a maze game in Scratch. So the first thing we need to do is delete sprite 1 and select a new sprite as our player. I'm just going to choose ball. So now we need to make the maze. So we're going to create a new sprite, but we're going to paint one. So I'm going to make one but skip through it and show it to you afterwards. So as you can see now, I've made the level. So the player's going to start up here and work their way down and across and out. So I'm just going to change some of the settings. Firstly, I'm going to rename the sprite to Maze. I'm going to rename it to Maze. And I'm going to change the X and the Y to 0. So now it's in the middle of the screen. So this is what the player will play with. Now we need to make an exit, so we're going to paint another sprite, and for this one I'm just going to make a basic square. Let's change the color to red, and I'm just going to put it in the middle of the screen. Now I'm going to make it a bit smaller and put it right in the middle. Now I'm going to drag it on the stage over to the end, and the player will have to touch it to finish the game. So for the ball, we're going to do some coding. Firstly, we're going to drag it to the top corner here. And we're going to say when green flag is clicked, go to this X and Y value, which is exactly the same as what it currently is. And forever, if key space is pressed, then change Y by 10, and this will allow us to move. But we're going to change this to up arrow, and I'm going to quickly duplicate it and change some settings so that we have a movement script. So I'm going to change the right arrow and the left arrow here. And I've got a tutorial on my channel how to do this, so you can go and check that out if you're interested. And so now our player is going to move, but we want to make changes so that you win when you hit the red square and you lose if you hit any of the purple squares. So we're going to make another if statement, and this will be if touching mouse pointer, but we're going to change it to maze. Then we are going to stop all, and that will end the game. If we duplicate this, but put it inside the forever, you can change it if touching sprite 1, which is our red square, then we are going to go to looks and say you win. Now if we try it, you can move around with the arrow keys, and if I touch the red square it will say you win, but if I touch the purple square then I lose and the game is over. So there are many ways that you can customize this with scores, different levels, etc. It's really up to your imagination. So that's how to make a maze game in Scratch. Thank you for watching.